Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening up Marvel Studios, the Marvel Collector Corps mystery box. Normally I get this every other month from Amazon, and I'll get a card from like the previous one letting me know what is going to be in the box. But these were the different types, I guess just advertising for their shows and all, and they're calling this one a mystery box. So let's see what I got. You normally get two pops and a sticker, a t-shirt. Alright, here we go. The Avengers sticker. Oh, that's a cool little pin. Don't know who that is. Is it Groot? I don't know. See in the little card. So coming soon, the next theme is Spider-Man Blue. I don't know if you can see, that's a glare. Alrighty. My t-shirt. Oh, this is neat. I like this one. Look at that. Rogers, the musical from the Hawkeye series. I like this. I love this t-shirt. Alrighty. Alright. Well, let's see what our pops are. Okay, they come covered. Alright, it's from She-Hulk. Attorney-at-Law. Kevin. I don't really remember this one. Okay. Exclusive Marvel Collector Corps. Alright, let's see what the next one is. From Moon Knight. Amazon exclusive glow in the dark. Okay. It's Moon Knight. Okay, so that was interesting getting these different ones. Really do like the t-shirt, the Moon Knight. I don't have a Moon Knight Funko Pop, and this Kevin. I don't remember Kevin from the She-Hulk Attorney-at-Law series, but it's exciting at least to get something that I don't have yet. Now make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what you thought about the pops. Until next time, bye now.